Welcome to Ratchet Life, where the real gets louder, the truth gets messier, and the vibes stay unapologetic. I call these videos the Ratchet series, as these ballerina men imitate how ratchet women act. What do they know about ratchet women? Well, watch and see, 'cause these videos are wild and reckless.
I'm about shit. Show my family. Yeah. Gone bad. Hell no. JJ either drunk some shit or what?
What the hell?